20 Microns Nano Minerals, your trusted performance additive partner from 20 Microns Limited. Introducing Stoff R, a next-gen anti-ozone and processing wax for rubber. It works as a multifunctional additive, enhancing protection, processing, and compound stability. Stoff R ensures better dispersion, cleaner surface finish, and improved compound quality. It offers strong ozone protection, reducing surface cracking and extending product life for long-term reliability in demanding environmental and application conditions. It improves filler dispersion, delivering smooth, uniform rubber compound processing with enhanced consistency and performance. Stoff R minimizes blooming, keeping compounds cleaner and more stable during processing for smoother handling and improved consistency. Improves processing speed, enhances overall compound performance, and significantly increases output efficiency. Stoff R displays significantly improved processing performance compared to conventional waxes. It maintains stable Mooney viscosity, supporting consistent processing quality. Our research center drives innovation and ensures technical excellence. 20 Microns powers Indian industries with advanced manufacturing, R&D, and a strong sales network, delivering innovation-driven performance. Visit 20microns.com, email us at inquiry@20microns.com.